Okay, so in the simulation, we're going to be using healthy body. Say yes. We're going to be doing observe today. Alright, so what we want to do is feed them one of each food. So I'm going to give them fish, corn, and a sandwich. Alright, now what we want to focus on is the cell. That's this yellow box here. So I'm going to click on the cell, the yellow box. Now there's this magnifying glass right here. That's going to let us see it closer. So click the magnifying glass. Alright, that zooms in for us. So now we're just going to observe what is happening inside the cell. So something I want you to pay close attention to is the oxygen and the glucose. Okay, so oxygen is the green one, glucose is the yellow one that will be entering in right here. So there's a lot of oxygen. Once you see a glucose enter in right here, follow it down and see what happens. What happens to the oxygen and the glucose. So it's all right there. I want you to observe what's happening right here with them. This thing. What's going in, what's coming out. Alright. Go ahead and make your observations.